Hey there, everybody. Harry Garrett here, under a foot of snow. And here's your host, the Busted Luck Tech, Dr. Gus Greenfield. There, come here. Ooh. There it is. Aramis sleeps on the horse blankets. This is a 1967 casting, came out in 1968, of a custom T-Bird. And then the next one is a 1969 casting, came out in 1970, of that TNT T-Bird. The first one is an original Sweet 16. 16 cars came out in 1968. Figured I'd put these on there because that's what we do here is die-cast cars. I'm Dr. Gus Greenfield, and I approve this message. For Busted Luck Tech, I'm Dr. Gus Greenfield and Spooky Cat Pictures.